The humble chicken, a staple on dinner plates around the world, exemplifies the ethical dilemmas of modern meat production. Few realize the sheer scale of the industry. Billions of chickens are slaughtered globally each year, the vast majority raised in conditions that would shock most consumers. Imagine a life confined to a space smaller than a sheet of paper, unable to stretch your wings or feel the sun on your feathers. This is the reality for most egg-laying hens confined to battery cages. Their beaks are often painfully trimmed to prevent them from pecking each other in these stressful, unnatural